Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is, are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? If not, give one example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. The question is asking us here, are the square root of all positive integers of square root of all the positive integers irrational. This is what this question is asking us. Now guys, we very well know that what is an irrational number. Before we start answering this one, let us first of all remember what is a rational number. A rational number is a number which can be written of the form P upon Q and Q is not equal to 0. This is what we call as a rational number. Now the opposite of this is the irrational number. We understood that a rational number is a number which can be written of the form P upon Q and Q is not equal to 0. And now the opposite of this, that is the number which cannot be written in the form P upon Q, the number that cannot be written of the form P upon Q is an irrational number. Guys, this is what we know is an irrational number. So this is what we know about irrational number. Now guys, after understanding the definition of irrational number, the question is checking with us, are the square root of all the positive integers irrational? So let us consider some examples. So that it would be very easy for us to take a conclusion or to take a final decision. So if we go, for example, if I write root 4 is equal to 2. If I write root 4 is equal to 2. Now similarly, and this 2 is a rational number. Similarly, if I write root 3, this value of root 3 will remain same as root 3, and root 3 is equal to 1.73205. like this it will continue. Root 3 it will continue like this, 1.7320508, and like this it will continue, because this is an irrational number. Why? Because this is a non-terminating. This is an irrational number, so, and this is a non-terminating, so it will follow like this. And whereas you could see that rational number is always terminating. Root 4 is equal to 2. Similarly, if I write root 9 is 3. Again 3 is a rational number. Hope guys you are understanding what I am trying to explain. So similarly, we can consider some more examples. I can consider root 5 is irrational number. Root 5 is irrational number. Root 16 is equal to 4. 4 is a rational number. So from this what we consider, we can say that the question is asking us, the question is checking with us, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? So definitely some are rational numbers, and some are irrational numbers. Some are rational, some are irrational. So we can conclude our answer saying that, we can conclude from the above examples saying that, from the above examples we can say that the question is checking with us, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? So we can say that no, the square root of all the positive integers are not irrational. So we can write our concluding answer saying that from the above examples it is seen that from the above examples it is seen that the square root of all positive integers, the square root of all the positive integers are not irrational. How, guys? Are not irrational. This is most important. Are not irrational. So how, guys, we proved that? 4 is a positive integer, and root 4 is 2. Root 4 is 2. 4 is a positive integer. Root 4 is 2. 3 is a positive integer. Root 3 is irrational. 9 is a positive integer. Root 9 is rational number. Root 5 is a positive integer, and root of 5 is a irrational number. Similarly, 16, root 16 is a positive integer. Root over of 16 is 4 is a rational number. So we could see that we are getting mixed results. We are getting a rational number, and some we are getting an irrational number. So from that we conclude that from the above examples it is seen that the square root of all the positive integers are not irrational. Hope, guys, you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to understand what is a irrational number and what is an irrational number. Hope, guys, you understood this. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.